Posting orders to QuickBooks has never been easier with Webgility. With Webgility Desktop, you have the ability to post orders in groups. Also referred to as consolidated posting, this method is great for stores with a high volume of orders. You can consolidate your posts daily, weekly, monthly, or manually, depending on your volume needs. Setting up consolidated posting is simple. In the Webgility Desktop software, click on Integrations, Accounting, POS, ERP, and Posting Settings. Then, click on the side menu for Orders, and under Posting Rules, select Post Orders in Groups. You'll then be able to select the frequency of grouping using the Group By option, and then a start date. When using the scheduler, you can also adjust your settings to automatically group your incoming orders. Here's some advice to consider when turning on consolidated posting. You'll want to set up and enable the Auto Create option, which will automatically create products in QuickBooks if they're not already found at posting. For QuickBooks Enterprise users, you'll want to set your inventory site locations if you're using the Advanced Inventory add-on. Make sure you set a default customer so that all orders pull in and filter to a specific pre-made customer. And finally, set up your sales tax to pull through as a line item into QuickBooks. This is also recommended for anybody using the individual posting method as well. For more detailed information on the consolidated order posting process, click the link in the description. And find all of our help articles and videos at help.webgility.com. Thanks for watching.